Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today I want to share with you motivational sayings on life inspired by Mufti Menk. Number 1. Embracing trials and tribulations. My dear brothers and sisters, life is not about avoiding challenges, it's about facing them head on. As Mufti Menk reminds us, the greater the trial, the greater the reward. Don't be afraid to take risks, to step out of your comfort zone, and to face your fears. For it's in those moments of uncertainty that we discover our inner strength, our resilience, and our capacity for growth. Remember, every difficulty is an opportunity to draw closer to Allah, to seek His guidance, and to find peace in His presence. Number 2. Cultivating gratitude and contentment. In today's world, we are constantly bombarded with messages telling us we need more wealth, more status, more possessions. But Mufti Menk teaches us that true happiness lies in being content with what we already have. Be grateful for what you have and trust that Allah will give you what's best for you. Let's focus on cultivating gratitude, on appreciating the small blessings, on finding joy in simple things. For when we are content, we are free from the chains of materialism and the constant pursuit of more. Number 3. The power of forgiveness. Holding on to grudges and past hurts can weigh us down, preventing us from moving forward. Mufti Menk reminds us forgiveness is not for others, it's for yourself. When we choose to forgive, we release ourselves from the burden of resentment and anger. We open ourselves up to healing, to growth, and to newfound peace. Remember, forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting, it means releasing the negative emotions associated with the memory. Let go of the past and step into the brighter future. Number 4. Living with purpose and intention. In a world filled with distractions, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. Mufti Menk encourages us to live with purpose, to prioritize our relationship with Allah, and to focus on our eternal legacy. We were created for a great purpose. Don't waste your life on useless pursuits. Let's evaluate our priorities, let's resist our goals, and let's align ourselves with values of compassion, kindness, righteousness. Remember, every moment counts and every action has consequences. Number 5. Trusting in Allah's plan. Life is full of uncertainties, twists, and turns. But as Mufti Menk reminds us, Allah is always in control, even when things seem out of control. Trust in His wisdom, trust in His mercy, and trust in His plan. Don't worry about what tomorrow holds. Focus on what you can control today. Have faith that Allah will guide you, provide for you, and protect you. And when the storms of life rage on, hold on to the anchor of His promise. Verily, with hardship comes ease. Thanks for watching.